Have you ever wondered how small daily changes can completely transform your finances? Today, I am taking on a personal challenge to boost my savings using simple yet powerful strategies, and I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. Saving money is one of the most important steps toward achieving financial independence. It's a goal most of us aim for but often struggle to reach. The good news is, with a few smart adjustments to our daily habits, saving can become much easier. In this video, I'll share practical tips that anyone can start using right away to grow their savings. For many of us, saving feels almost impossible. Our income stays the same, while expenses always seem to rise. It's easy to feel stuck or discouraged. But saving isn't about giving up everything you enjoy. It's about making smart, intentional decisions with your money that bring lasting results. High living costs, impulsive spending, and a lack of financial awareness are some of the biggest challenges people face when trying to save. These issues can make it hard to stay consistent, but they're not impossible to overcome. Once you understand what's holding you back, it becomes much easier to fix it. One of the biggest barriers to saving is our own behavior. Many of us spend without thinking about long-term consequences, creating a cycle of overspending and regret. But when you start tracking your spending and practicing mindful purchasing, you gain more control and see your savings grow faster. Another reason saving is hard for many people is limited financial knowledge. A lot of us don't know how to start budgeting, investing, or managing money effectively. Thankfully, there are countless free online courses, YouTube channels, and financial blogs that make learning easier than ever before. To break these barriers, we need strong saving strategies. One of the most effective is budgeting. By tracking income and expenses, you can clearly see where your money goes and where to cut back. This awareness helps you save more efficiently and achieve your financial goals. Another great approach is automating your savings. Setting up automatic transfers to a savings account ensures consistency. You won't have to rely on willpower. Saving simply becomes part of your routine, which helps you stay disciplined without effort. Goal setting plays a major role in saving successfully. When you set clear financial targets, like building an emergency fund or saving for a vacation, you stay motivated and committed. A written goal turns your financial dreams into a structured plan. Here's where a lot of people go wrong. They save whatever is left over at the end of the month. That approach rarely works. Instead, pay yourself first. Treat saving as a non-negotiable expense. By doing this, you guarantee that your savings grow before spending happens. Technology can also be your best ally. Budgeting apps, cashback programs, and savings tools can track expenses and even round up your purchases to save spare change. These small digital helpers can make saving automatic and effortless. Another proven method is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of income to essentials, 30% to lifestyle spending, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This balanced approach keeps your financial life stable while ensuring consistent progress toward your goals. I've personally seen huge benefits from this rule. Once I automated my savings and became mindful of spending, I built a solid financial cushion. Countless others have used this same framework to gain financial security and peace of mind. If you struggle to stay consistent, try using visual motivation. Create a savings tracker or chart your progress each month. Seeing how far you've come can boost your confidence and keep you focused on the bigger picture. Another underrated strategy is practicing gratitude. When you appreciate what you already have, the urge to spend unnecessarily drops. This mindset shift not only saves money, but also improves your overall happiness. One more thing that helps is accountability. Tell a trusted friend or family member about your savings goal, or join an online finance community. Sharing progress with others adds encouragement and keeps you motivated when it gets tough. You can also challenge yourself with short-term saving goals. For example, try a no-spend week or a 30-day savings challenge. These small, time-bound goals build discipline and prove that saving can actually be fun and rewarding. Lastly, remember that saving is a journey, not a race. Everyone's financial situation is different, and progress looks different for each person. What matters is staying consistent and improving a little each day. That's how real financial freedom is built. The main takeaway is to find a method that fits your lifestyle and stick to it. Saving isn't about perfection. It's about progress. With steady effort and clear priorities, you can build real financial freedom over time. To recap, the key strategies include budgeting, automating savings, setting goals, paying yourself first, and using technology. By applying these steps, you'll be on your way to consistent and stress-free saving. The best part? You can start today. No need to wait for the perfect moment. Small daily actions, when done consistently, can lead to life-changing results in your finances. If you'd like to learn more about saving and financial planning, check out my next video for deeper insights. And if you have your own saving tips, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.